The residency I had heard about a few years ago. I have some friends that have come through the residency before. And well, it seemed like a great idea, because I have 3 young children, I haven't applied to very many residencies at all lately. I think I've done one in the past 10 years other than this one. Before that, I used to do residencies pretty regularly. And but when the call came out that this was a specific residency for mothers and that were artists of color, it was something that I was really drawn to. Being a mother of 3 young children and a working artist isn't necessarily easy or expected, and usually unheard of in a lot of ways. And so I talk a lot about being a mother and my children being a part of, the process. Like, they are in my studio a lot. They're on installation. They were basically born into like, site installations. And so it's important to me that people understand that you can be both. You can be a working mother, and an artist. And so it's always been really important to me. So when I saw the call for this, I knew that I wanted to be a part of this. Like, I was like, I want to be one of the first mothers to do that, to be a part of that, because I think it's so important. And so luckily it was in a month that I was able to find coverage and help with my children, and, they're happy, I'm happy. And I've been able to kind of, really immerse myself in my work here, which has been phenomenal. And I think one of the greatest things about this residency is I'm with 2 other artists that are both phenomenal artists and phenomenal people in general, and mothers. And that's just unheard of to be around in an art residency, to where we can talk about, their work, and we do critiques of each other's work, into talking about, what our kids ate last night, after we hear about them from the calls, because they're all in different places. And so I love the possibilities of this residency, and I'm just so happy to be here and so appreciative of everything that they've kind of exposed us to in only the 2 weeks that we've been here, going to different museums and meeting so many different people like yourself, and just having these great experiences. I think for me, it's the only residency where I feel like it truly immerses you within the art scene of the town that you're in. Usually it's kind of up to you how you do things, or like, you might be in a city and then the art scene's over there, and good luck getting, doing whatever you're going to do there. But the way that Fountainhead, it, really helps welcome you into that scene and makes you a part of it pretty immediately it's amazing.